What's up, buds? It is Fly High FPV, and I want to let you know that TBS has got new gimbals out. I've got them up on my site listed already for pre-order, but Trappy says they're shipping them out to me today, so it shouldn't be very long. I got to prototype these gimbals starting back around Castle Crash. That was like May of this year, and they finally got them all ready to go and out the door for production. This is the original Pro gimbal for the Tango 2. These gimbals do work for the Tango 2 and the Mambo. Either one, both fit the same. It's got that folding action, so you can just fold the gimbals right down out of the way. I absolutely love them. But after running these gimbals for about 2 years, they have gotten pretty rough. Let me see if I can find the spot where all the trash is. This, I don't know if you can see all that debris and junk up in there, but 2 years of bando life has been hard on these. I could probably get in there and just clean these things out, but as I was realizing how gross they were and how rough they were, is right when Trappy said, "Hey, guess what? New gimbals." And I said, "Thank you. I'll take new gimbals, please." So yeah, these are the old ones. The old ones were injection molded, and they're pretty decent, but they were mostly plastic build. The new ones are also injection molded, but to much tighter tolerances, and they replace a couple critical parts with metal where they needed it to be. Absolutely love them though. And the new gimbals are available in two varieties. There's the folding sticks like I have here, and there's the non-folding sticks for like the non-pro versions. You can put either one on either transmitter, whether you got a Mambo or a Tango 2. It doesn't matter. You can use either one you prefer. I really like the folding ones. They just make my kit so much more durable and compact and just nice to pack it away. Also, check these out. These are the thumb grippies from Thumb Grippy. I've got them on my site as well. All the ones I carry are blacked out in M3, so they'll fit your Tango 2, your Mambo, your Tyrannus, the T-Lite, basically the smaller radios, not the M4 radios. And I've got them in three styles. These are mini mushrooms. This is my favorite. I'm a thumber. I've also got the Specimen FPV pinch sticks, and I've got the Grandmasters. They're skinnier and with a little knob on the end, similar to the stock, but with all this grippy texture. Focus. Even these new gimbals, I've collected quite a bit of dust on them just in use, but I fly bandos every day, so shit happens. And if you like this shell, I painted this myself. This is a clear shell, the nostalgia case from TBS, and it's clear, and you can paint the inside of it and do all kinds of cool shit. Customize your radio. Hit me up, flyhighfpv.com. I got the clear shells. I got the gimbals. I got the thumb grippies. I've even got speakers for your Tango 2. I've even got upgrade module bays if you want to put ELRS on the back of it or some other radio protocol. Anything you need, flyhighfpv.com.